It's 2025. Tech is moving faster than ever, and coding skills, super valuable. But here's the real question. Which programming languages are actually worth learning right now? Let me show you the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2025 and why they matter. Let's dive in. 1. Python. Simple, powerful, everywhere. From AI and data science to web development and automation, Python does it all. If you're just starting out, this is the best language to begin with. 2. JavaScript, the king of the web. Almost every website you use today relies on JavaScript. Front end, check. Back end with Node.js, absolutely. If you want fast results and real-world projects, JavaScript is a must. 3. Golang. Clean syntax, super fast, and built for scale. Go is perfect for back-end systems, microservices, and cloud-based apps. Companies like Google, Dropbox, and Uber use it. It's lightweight and seriously underrated. 4. Rust, safety and speed. Rust delivers both. It's blowing up in the systems programming world, and it's being adopted by big names like Microsoft and Meta. If you're into performance and low-level control, Rust is one to watch. 5. TypeScript. Think of it as JavaScript, but smarter. TypeScript helps you catch bugs early and build large apps with confidence. If you're planning to work on serious web projects, this is a must-learn alongside JavaScript. Enjoyed this video? Smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And hey, drop a comment. Which language are you learning in 2025? Or maybe you want a video comparing two of these side by side. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.